The course is designed for the students who already use a computer or laptop and want to know how the applications and game made of. We will start from the beginning of designing the flowchart of the program and describe how to convert the flowchart to programming code. Next is describe the VB.NET statements and variables and the different type of controls, the using of branches in simple way, and the first example is creating an application about traffic sign. Second application is a calculator. The third application is a game, X and O board game, and simple puzzle game. Conclusion: how to use programming to convert your idea to be real and create your own games. Think what? You can also sell your products